This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, December 26, 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. This is at noon today. We still have a flow coming out of the north and west, some energy coming along it. We have one piece of energy over the eastern Great Lakes in New England, another moving through the upper Midwest, and that could bring a little bit of snow or flurry activity across our far northern and northeastern counties later today. Highs today will be similar to yesterday, highs in the 20s north and east to lower to mid-30s south and west. It does warm up here, and we'll be really looking forward to this because it doesn't look very warm over the next couple of weeks. Temperatures may be in the 30s statewide here on Friday with winds out of the south and west, but a clipper system is going to be approaching here on Saturday. Saturday will likely be the last warm day for quite a while. Highs will likely be in the 30s, some lower to mid-40s in the far southwestern counties. Then late Saturday night into very early on Sunday, the clipper moves through. That could bring some light snow or flurries, maybe an inch or so of accumulation. Temperatures will likely be falling through the day down into the lower teens by sunset and down well below zero by Monday morning. Highs will struggle on Monday to reach the single digits. Some areas may not even crack zero. It will be mainly sunny across the area, though. That'll be one bright spot. Tuesday morning could also see lows below zero, in fact, well below zero. And then, to make matters worse, here comes another clipper system to reinforce more cold air, more light snow or flurries, another inch or so possible. And then Tuesday night into Wednesday, for New Year's Eve into New Year's Day, we could still see a little bit of light snow or flurry activity around. Highs will likely be maybe in the single digits to maybe around the lower teens for highs. Lows will be below zero. Even a week from today, you can see the flow is coming out of western Canada and the Yukon. We have some energy and a shortwave moving through the southeast over the Great Lakes. Another moving into the country over North Dakota. And that means another clipper system is possible at that time a week from today on the 2nd. Some lake effect snow on the Great Lakes, some rain and snow in the southeast. It just looks brutally cold over the next couple of days after this point, because it doesn't look much better than the extended period. January 6th, the flow is still coming out of the Northwest Territories, Nunavut Province, the Yukon, some energy along it, and you guessed it, that means another clipper system, and that means more snow across the Great Lakes and over the Mid-Atlantic and the Appalachians as high pressure reinforces itself once again with highs likely in the single digits to lower teens and lows at or below zero. At the end of the forecast on January 10th, now we have a cutoff feature over the southeast with a shortwave slightly negatively tilt. The flow still coming out of Canada, and that means the cold weather is still here to stay. Another high pressure coming down from Canada, and what could be a very feisty system over the east coast. But we'll have to wait and see if this continues on future model runs over the next couple of days or a week or two. The satellite image from last evening, we had some high and mid-level clouds across the Gulf Coast and across the south and east. We had another system approaching from the north and west that could bring some light snow across the northern counties later today. Otherwise, it was fairly calm. The watch warning map from last evening, we had some winter weather issues over down East Maine, over the lower peninsula of Michigan, and some fog and air stagnation issues over the Pacific Northwest coast. Otherwise, it was fairly calm across the country. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Monday evening at 6 o'clock, showing most of the precipitation will be across the Great Lakes along the east coast, the Gulf Coast, and South Texas, with little or no precipitation around here outside a few flurries or light snow showers.